What if I told you that in 2025, doctors could read your thoughts and turn them into speech with 97% accuracy? Or that quantum computers just solved problems that would take regular supercomputers longer than the age of the universe? These aren't science fiction dreams anymore. Right now, at this very moment, 10 groundbreaking AI advances are reshaping our world in ways that will leave you speechless. From saving lives in ways we never thought possible to cracking codes that seemed impossible. These breakthroughs are happening faster than most people realize. So buckle up, because what you're about to discover will change how you see the future forever. 1. Brain-computer interfaces achieve near-perfect speech translation. Let's start with something that sounds straight out of a movie. Researchers at UC Davis have created a brain-computer interface that can translate thoughts into speech with an incredible 97% accuracy. This isn't just impressive technology, it's life-changing reality. The system works by reading brain signals from people who can't speak due to conditions like ALS. When someone tries to speak, the device captures those neural signals and turns them into audible words through a computer. In July 2023, they implanted sensors in a man's brain, and within minutes, he could communicate his thoughts out loud for the first time in years. What makes this even more remarkable is that the technology won by a landslide to become MIT Technology Review's 11th breakthrough technology for 2025. Currently, about 25 clinical trials are underway, and companies like Neuralink are actively recruiting volunteers. We're looking at a future where paralyzed individuals can control computers, robotic arms, and even speak through their thoughts alone. But here's what really gets exciting. Researchers have also developed a two-way adaptive system that's 100 times more efficient than previous versions and uses 1,000 times less energy. This means the technology could soon be portable and practical for everyday use. 2. OpenAI's O3 model breaks the intelligence barrier. OpenAI dropped a bombshell in December 2024 with their O3 model, and it's unlike anything we've seen before. This isn't just another chatbot upgrade. It's a fundamental breakthrough in how AI thinks and reasons. Here's what makes O3 special. It scored 87.5% on the ARC-AGI benchmark, a test specifically designed to measure human-like reasoning. To put this in perspective, previous AI models struggled to reach even 5% on this test. The jump from 5% to 87.5% in just a few years is absolutely staggering. The O3 model uses what's called a private chain of thought. Essentially, it thinks before it answers, just like humans do. Instead of spitting out the first response, it works through problems step by step, breaking down complex challenges into simpler parts. On coding tests, O3 reached an ELO score of 2727, completely crushing its predecessor O1, which scored 1891. In mathematics, it achieved 91.6% accuracy on advanced competition problems compared to O1's 74.3%. The model can now use tools, search the web, analyze files, and even generate images while maintaining this incredible reasoning ability. What's truly mind-blowing is that O3 has achieved what many experts call program synthesis. It can dynamically combine different patterns and methods it learned during training into completely new solutions. This is getting us closer to artificial general intelligence than ever before. 3. Google's Willow chip solves quantum computing's biggest problem. Google's quantum computing team just solved a problem that has stumped scientists for almost 30 years. Their new Willow chip has cracked quantum error correction, the biggest obstacle to building useful quantum computers. Here's the breakthrough. Traditionally, adding more qubits to a quantum computer makes it more error-prone and less reliable. Willow completely flips this around. The more qubits you add, the fewer errors it makes. They tested arrays of 3 by 3, then 5 by 5, then 7 by 7 qubits, and each time the error rate was cut in half. To demonstrate Willow's power, Google ran a computation that would take today's fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years to complete. That's a 1 followed by 25 zeros, a number that vastly exceeds the age of the universe. Willow solved it in under 5 minutes. This isn't just about faster computing. Quantum computers could revolutionize drug discovery, crack currently impossible encryption, optimize global supply chains, and solve climate modeling problems that are beyond our current capabilities. Google believes their quantum computers will be running commercial applications applications within 5 years, particularly in materials science, healthcare, and energy. 4. Quantum AI creates unprecedented problem-solving power. Speaking of quantum computing, 2025 has seen the emergence of quantum AI, the fusion of quantum computing with artificial intelligence. Companies like Quantinuum have announced their generative quantum AI framework that uses quantum-generated data to train AI systems. This is huge because quantum computers can explore solution spaces in ways that classical computers simply cannot. While regular computers check possibilities one by one, quantum systems can explore multiple solutions simultaneously through superposition and entanglement. Quantinuum's breakthrough allows AI models to harness data generated by their H2 quantum computer, significantly enhancing the accuracy of AI predictions. This has massive commercial potential in developing new medicines, predicting financial markets with unprecedented precision, and optimizing global logistics in real time. The quantum AI market is expected to reach $1.49 billion by 2029, growing at a 38.7% annual rate. What's exciting is that you don't even need access to a quantum computer to start experimenting with quantum AI. Companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft offer cloud-based access to quantum systems. 5. AI drug discovery achieves record-breaking speed. The pharmaceutical industry has been completely transformed by AI in 2025. We've witnessed the world's fastest AI-discovered medicine enter Phase 2A clinical trials, and the results are extraordinary. Researchers developed a drug called rentosertib for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, a deadly lung disease with a median survival of only 3 to 4 years. Using AI, they identified a completely novel target called TNIK that previous research had overlooked. The drug showed promising safety and efficacy in human trials, but speed is where AI really shines. MIT researchers created the Boltz-2 model that can predict how tightly drugs bind to proteins 1,000 times faster than previous methods. Instead of spending hours simulating a single molecule interaction, scientists can now screen vast chemical libraries in the same time frame. During the COVID-19 pandemic, AI rapidly scanned over 100 million molecules in just days, a task that would have taken human teams decades. MIT's discovery of Halicin, a novel antibiotic, demonstrates AI's ability to find solutions in massive molecular databases that humans could never search manually. Investment in AI-driven drug discovery reached over $5.2 billion by 2021, and roughly 150 companies are now applying AI to small molecule design. We're entering an era where developing new medicines could take years instead of decades. 6. AI achieves superhuman performance in scientific research. Stanford's 2025 AI Index revealed something remarkable. AI systems are now outperforming humans in multiple scientific competitions and benchmarks. The gap between leading AI models has narrowed dramatically, with Chinese models closing in on U.S. performance from a 9.26% gap in January 2024 to just 1.70% by February 2025. But here's what really excites. AI is solving scientific problems that have puzzled researchers for years. Microsoft's AI2 BMD system can now simulate biomolecular dynamics with unprecedented speed and precision, accelerating drug discovery and protein research. Stanford researchers have created an AI virtual scientist that can design, run, and analyze its own biological experiments. This system iterates on hypotheses and adapts in real time, essentially simulating a human researcher but working around the clock without fatigue. In materials science, AI is discovering new compounds and predicting their properties before they're even synthesized. This is revolutionizing everything from battery technology to solar cells, allowing scientists to explore thousands of potential materials computationally before investing in expensive lab work.
7. Revolutionary AI agents transform how we work. 2025 has seen the rise of truly autonomous AI agents that can perform complex tasks without constant human supervision. These aren't simple chatbots. They're sophisticated systems that can plan, execute, and adapt their strategies in real time. Deloitte's research shows that while most organizations are still in pilot phases, nearly half of surveyed professionals believe autonomous AI agents will significantly transform their organizations within the next 2 to 3 years. These agents can optimize supply chains, manage financial portfolios, detect fraud, and handle regulatory compliance monitoring. What makes this breakthrough special is that AI agents can now use multiple tools simultaneously. OpenAI's latest models can search the web, analyze files, reason about visual inputs, use programming languages, and even generate images, all while maintaining coherent long-term goals. Microsoft's research indicates that 75% of enterprises will transition from AI pilots to full-scale operations by 2025, creating a massive increase in streaming data and analytics infrastructures. We're moving from asking AI questions to having AI proactively solve problems for us. 8. AI transforms medical diagnostics with 90% accuracy. Medical AI has reached a tipping point in 2025. New AI models are now detecting diseases like cancer during early stages with over 90% accuracy by combining patient history, medical imaging, and biomarkers to generate predictive diagnostics. UCLA engineers developed a wearable brain-computer interface that combines EEG signal decoding with vision-based AI to interpret user intent in real time. The system enabled both able-bodied participants and paralyzed individuals to complete tasks nearly 4 times faster than without AI assistance. Researchers have also created miniature imaging cameras paired with AI that can identify hidden dangers in coronary arteries with unprecedented detail. These systems are small enough to be inserted via catheter, enabling real-time detection of blockages that standard imaging might miss. AI is also revolutionizing brain health monitoring. New systems can accurately estimate brain age using MRI data, helping with early diagnosis of neurodegenerative conditions. This opens new possibilities for preventive brain health care before symptoms even appear. 9. AI breaks through energy and climate challenges. One of 2025's most important breakthroughs addresses the massive energy consumption of AI systems themselves. Google's quantum systems and new AI architectures are reducing energy demands by up to 40% for AI operations. AI is also tackling climate change directly. New systems can optimize power grids in real time, reducing energy waste and integrating renewable sources more effectively. AI algorithms are designing new materials for solar cells and batteries that are more efficient than anything humans have created. In cement production, one of the world's largest sources of carbon emissions, AI researchers in Switzerland have developed systems that can redesign cement recipes to dramatically cut carbon footprints while maintaining structural integrity. Microsoft research points to a future where AI will have a measurable impact on institutions working on climate challenges, from developing new materials for carbon capture to optimizing global resource distribution. 10. The convergence. When all breakthroughs unite, here's where everything gets truly mind-bending. These 10 breakthroughs aren't happening in isolation. They're starting to work together in ways that multiply their impact. Quantum AI is accelerating drug discovery. Brain-computer interfaces are being enhanced by advanced reasoning models. Medical diagnostics are becoming more precise through quantum-enhanced pattern recognition. Energy-efficient AI agents are optimizing everything from supply chains to climate solutions. The convergence is creating what experts call compound innovation, where each breakthrough amplifies the others. Morgan Stanley's analysis suggests this is just the beginning of a technological acceleration that could add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030. We're witnessing the emergence of what many researchers believe could be the foundation for artificial general intelligence, AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across any domain, just like humans do, but potentially much faster and more accurately. The pace of change is accelerating so rapidly that experts are struggling to predict what will be possible just 12 months from now. What seemed impossible at the beginning of 2024 became reality by the end of the year, and 2025 is proving to be even more transformative. These 10 breakthroughs represent the most significant leap forward in artificial intelligence we've ever witnessed. From reading thoughts and turning them into speech, to quantum computers solving impossible problems, to AI discovering life-saving drugs in record time, we're living through a technological revolution that's happening faster than most people realize. The question isn't whether AI will change your life, it's how quickly and in what ways. These advances aren't decades away. They're happening right now in labs and companies around the world. The future isn't coming, it's already here. What breakthrough excited you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tech discoveries that are shaping our world. The next breakthrough could change everything, and you'll want to be the first to know about it.